I'm here with Jim Cramer on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Jim, it's been about earnings all week. You wrote a piece about Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. What did we learn big picture from all three?
Okay, Microsoft has pivoted so radically on the cloud that I can't believe it. Satya Nadella said he was going to be big in the cloud. He said he's going to have $18 billion in revenues in the cloud in a couple of years. He's going to exceed that. He's done a remarkable job. Amy Hood was always good as CFO. I really like what they're doing. Don't forget, buried in the lead, this Windows 10 is doing remarkable. So I just completely am all in Microsoft. It's very cheap still. Remember, it was yielding 3% yesterday. It gave you a nice raise in the dividend. Amazon, very important. They can turn on the profit when they want to. The infrastructure build out, it's about taking share from Walmart. I have to admit, sometimes when I see journalism that's so superior, I just credit it. Jim Stewart, a piece about Amazon versus Walmart, New York Times, tells you everything you need to know. Everything. Google is about Ruth Borat. She comes in, it's called Alphabet now. She shows you very clearly where they're going to start making money on mobile, how mobile has now surpassed the desktop. It's remarkable. You're going to start hearing good things about YouTube. And this quarter showed me that the company has got rigor and religion about making money because they're returning $5 billion plus. They have more than $70 billion in cash. All three of these have run a little too much. When you see that, that's shorts that are covering the so-called FANGs, which is Facebook and Amazon and Netflix, which is still a little disappointing. I get that. And Google, you have to be careful to pay up because at midday you start getting guys come in and sell them because the gains are so great. It's a long day. It's a long year, but I like all three.
And it sounds like they're all then long-term opportunities, if not today.
Every one of these companies is really just at the beginning of what I think is a major ramp. Amazon is finally able to show fantastic gains. When you look at what Microsoft's doing, it's finally it's going to be able to go head-to-head with it in the cloud with Amazon. And Google, what can I say? This is your now Alphabet, your first real quarter of clarity. So I mean, when you have all these first innings, these are long games. I want to be in them.
Jim Cramer, thanks as always. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.
To get more of Jim Cramer's investing ideas, as well as a peek at other stocks he owns in his multi-million-dollar charitable trust portfolio, subscribe to Action Alerts Plus. Sign up for Action Alerts Plus at getcrameredge.com. That's getcrameredge.com.